All right. So you can see I got some Champion spark plugs here, and I was gone a little bit, but no, I wasn't. I was here working hard. You can kind of see that. And well, I had to make the little Christmas ornaments, and I couldn't post them on the channel because, well, I didn't want them to see them. So I kind of kept it on a little down low, on a little secret. And I also ran out of Champion spark plugs. I had to go buy some the other day and started working on these. I got some parts being cut and things like that as well I'm working on. And, well, Christmas is coming up real soon, and that can only mean one thing. Well, it means a couple of things. I think some of y'all know what the Champion plugs mean. But I better get to work. Peace!